Mrs. Lerna here. We're ready to start a new project. So here on my table, you're going to see the supplies that you need. For coloring, you can either choose colored pencil or crayons. It's really up to you. Now, I'm going to begin using a Sharpie. If you don't have a Sharpie, you could always use a black crayon or a black marker. It does not matter. I'm going to save a step because I know exactly what I'm doing, and I'm not going to use my pencil. If you're somebody who likes to start in pencil, then do it that way. So I'm going to move over here, and I'm going to start with my ruler and my paper. I'm going to use my ruler to create a perfect edge while I'm making my triangles. So I'm going to fill my page with lines. So if I start in one corner and I make a line, this helps me to make sure that I end up with lots of triangles and not some other quadrilateral shapes. So now I can go from this corner to that line. Okay, and I just keep adding lines. So, and I'm so sorry that that's not in focus, guys. Let me try again. There we go. Hopefully you could see what I was doing. So I just keep adding lines, and as you see, it just creates triangles if you start in the corner. If you don't, it will give you some quadrilateral shapes, and that's fine. It's no big deal. I just wanted life to be easy for you, so that's what I'm doing. From there, after your whole page is filled up, you are going to pick a triangle to start with. And inside this new triangle, you're going to find yourself putting a dot kind of right in the middle. All right? From that dot, then, you will draw a line to each of the 3 points of that particular triangle. Notice I'm moving my paper so that the lines are easier for me to create. Alright, so this one triangle is now ready for color. So I'm going to stop and I'm going to switch, and let's talk about color for just 1 second. I have chosen my crayons. I chose green, and with these you will need a light green, a medium green, and a dark green. Now let's say you don't have light, medium, and dark of green. Can you do 3 different colors? Yes, you can. Now, on our color wheel, we know that there are lighter colors and there are darker colors. Yellow is for sure our lightest color on our color wheel. So you could choose yellow as your light color and then go with a medium tone, maybe orange. Maybe I'm going to stick with the warm family. So there's my medium, and then of course in the warm family the red would be my dark. You need a light color, a medium color, and a dark color. Can they be neutrals? Yes. You could use white. You could use gray if you had it. I would use brown as my medium and black as my dark. You have lots of choices on this part. Okay? So, now, I'm going to start coloring. With this triangle, I'm going to choose one side to be my light side, and I have to color very nice and neat. If you are putting this much effort into your piece and you just start scribbling, it's going to look terrible. We talk a lot about craftsmanship. Craftsmanship for this project looks like smooth coloring. Now, I'm going to go medium on one side. It does not matter which color goes on which side. It does matter that each triangle has all 3, one side of each color going on to your project. So, there's my medium, and now my dark. Now, to make my dark a little bit darker, I can just adjust the pressure that I'm using to color with. So if you wanted to try, now this is a challenge, folks. If you wanted to try one color and adjusting the pressure that you are using as you color, you absolutely could try that. That is going to be much more of an advanced skill, but this is what you're looking for. What you're going to do is you're going to fill the whole paper, and as you start to fill it, it's going to pop out at you. Three-dimensional, and I'm going to give you an example of what that looks like right now. So I am switching over to my Schoology project. Sorry, it's actually here. Whoop. There it is. Look at those. Total popping. I love the black, white, and gray. It just looks amazing. But I just wanted you to see what it looks like when you're kind of finished. I think you're really going to love this project. Go back into my camera. I think you're really going to love the project. And these are the steps to get started.